There he is. Okay, Charles, oh my. Good morning everyone and welcome back to another video. We haven't been posting in a while because we've been very busy during the holidays, but now we're back and today's video is going to be more of a vlog of how we let out the animals and let them play on the grass and everything and feed them. We'll just be showing you clips of our animals. Oh my goodness. Look at that fluff. Wow. We got the whole gang. There's Cheese Puff, Charles, and Tilly. Max! Come here! There he is. Okay, Charles, oh my god. Okay, Charles has this problem. When Max gets near the chickens, he starts attacking him. He's overprotective. No reason. I mean, yeah, look at this. Max got near Cheese Puff and now he's like so mad. Look, he's gonna get close and look how Charles, like, is he like overprotective of his girls or something? Or he's just mean. Look at that. Like, why? Max just thinks he wants to play. Charles is all serious. Charles getting their dust baths and Charlie just standing there being overprotective. As you guys know, Nature Select was kind enough to send us dog food. Okay, what we got in the mail today from Nature Select Pet Food on Instagram. Sent us out a scooper, some poo bags, some samples, and then a guide, dog food. So right now Max is gonna try it and we're gonna see how he likes it. And you can see the unboxing and everything on Instagram, so go ahead and follow us on @mygermanpuppy and check out Nature Select Pet Food. I think that's what they are on Instagram. Max, are you excited? You're gonna have nice food. Stay. Right here, right here. Stay. Go boy. Go boy. So we just gave Max the dog food, and if you guys want to see the results, you can go check out his Instagram. Okay, so we just gave this for Max to try out. Charlie, please stop it. And it looks like Charlie really wants to find out what it is, so I'm gonna give him like 2. Okay, hold on, honey, no, okay. I took it away because he was getting out of hand. Okay. You like it? It's good, right? It's good. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please give it a like and subscribe to see more videos with our animals in them. Why aren't you pausing?